This is the 11S Max vacuum, robot vacuum. I bought this, I've had it for a week. I have ran it every day since I got it. I'm not even gonna lie, I did not read the instruction manual. I briefly went through it. It was very easy to put together. I didn't really have to use it. I kept it though in case I need it. It came with this little tool, and I'll show you that in a minute. I always keep a robot vacuum because I have 2 kids that are always in and out, and I have 2 dogs outside, and we just seem to track in, and I have a very open concept home that that accumulates dust on the hardwood floors a lot. So I wanted something that I could run each day easily, and to help kind of cut down on that sweeping and dusting and everything. So I'm going to show you the underside of it. This vacuum is thinner than the last one I've had, a lot thinner actually. It can go under furniture a little bit easier. It has this one little duster, spinny duster, and you just pop it out. I'm probably gonna break it. There might be an easier way to do that, but it fits right back on. There was hair around this the other day. I literally just popped it off, pulled it off, and put it right back on. I think you can just buy these on Amazon as well if you need more. This pops out easily right here. You just mash these at the same time, but I've got my hand holding my phone, so you can't really do that. But you can use this tool to get the hair from around it and just pull it out if you want to. When I got it, I did not read the instructions like I said. I just kind of, I popped this in, popped the dust cartridge in, and I just turned it on, and then I charged it, and it needed to charge for a little while. I haven't really kept up with how long it takes to charge, but I do run this every day. Let me turn it back over. The dust cartridge is a little smaller than the last one that I had. I didn't have this brand. The last vacuum I had, it lasted me a couple years. I did not maintain it like I'm going to with this one though. I'm hoping it'll last longer, but you just pull that right out. Hang on. Pop it open. Yep. And honestly, this is not as bad as it's been. But see, the cartridge really isn't that deep. But in the filter, I've got to clean it. I have not done that yet, but as you can see, you can easily just pop it out right here. I'm gonna rinse it, and I'm gonna let it dry in the sun, and then pop it right back in. But overall, it's very user-friendly. Like I said, I've ran it every day. Coverage seems to be really well. I swept yesterday and did not have near the amount of dust that I normally have. So this is the 11S Max, like I said, and it comes with this, and I'm hoping that it lasts. I'll try to update in a couple of months to give y'all another review of what I think about it. But overall, I'm really glad I purchased it, and maybe this will be my next one as well.
She works so well. I love this. We call her Eva. She's very thorough, not very loud. And I love she can go under couches and beds. Just make sure cords are picked up.
Where you going, buddy? Sorry, Vesper.
Okay, this is day 3. I'm not sure if this is going to be a daily occurrence, but I'm glad we have this.